when we talk about open mainframe project, even if mainframe is quite old, open mainframe project is relatively new in comparison. Can you talk about what kind of adoption you have seen of Zowe project? We also have a very good frame of reference, which is LTS version 1.
Yeah, sure. That's a great question. So Zowe version 1, we were really surprised by how successful it was. One of the components, our most popular component, the command line interface, we had 130,000 downloads of that. We have a plugin for Visual Studio Code called the Zowe Explorer. Some people call it the new face of the mainframe. We've had about 270,000 downloads of that. Our website, zowe.org website, across that 2-year period, we had almost 90,000 visits of that website. And we had 520 different people contribute from the community, which is phenomenal because, I'm at IBM and we don't have that many people working on a single project on its own. So having that collaboration from everywhere, from professionals like myself to students who would join, do internships, was phenomenal to see.